Yun nga I was really lucky. I was in that time na naabutan ko yung pinapanood ko sa TV na Ate Cha, Ate Paneng, Ate Jack. Tapos yeah, I am also teammates with Ate Abby, Ate Chepot. Sobrang bilib lang din ako talaga doon kina Ate Cha, Ate Paneng, Ate Jack because they played out their last playing year and I'm just so lucky to be able to set plays to them. And then moving on with Ate Abby, Ate Chepot, actually I also saw them how greatly they improved, because they're just a year higher than me. But being teammates with them, achieving yung three-peat because of them also. Ate Melden, I think you also have to mention, she was just really a great libero during that time. Looking up to them. Ayun na, I was really lucky, I guess, that I came into the team with that kind of system and players as well already. So, yeah, until now, I still look up to them. Not just inside the court, but outside the court as well. They're just really my ate.